Nnamdi Kanu released another shocking clarification about the man in Aso Rock. Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB and Radio Biafran television director, has released yet another clarification of who is imposing as the Muhammad Buhari Nigerian president. Nnamdi Kanu had maintained that Nigerian President Muhammad Buhari died in 2017 and has been buried in a shallow grave in Saudi Arabia. Meanwhile, ever since the renewed revelation, no Aso Rock source has since debunked it that Buhari is alive or dead, or have they accepted the challenge given to provide Nigerian President Muhammad Buhari for an interview. Nnamdi Kanu, who appeared in a live Instagram with Daily Model, also maintained the fact that Buhari is dead and replaced with an impostor. In a post, Nnamdi Kanu gave a challenge. He said, God Almighty created man with the largest brain of any other creature on earth for a reason. The fact that some Nigerians have failed to make use of theirs is not God's fault. A simple experiment every sensible Nigerian could do to determine if the person in Aso Rock is Buhari or not. Put down your KN95 COVID-19 face mask, and if your ear is squashed like that of Yusuf Abubakar Mohammed, below then know you are not human but a hyper-realistic masked impostor. Real human ear doesn't bend when you pull down your mask to your chin. Try it to see how unreasonable some people are, and more importantly, shame the demons in Aso Rock is. Thank you for listening to this news, my viewers. Nnamdi Kanu is confirmed. See, Nnamdi Kanu keep making his findings. I don't know. What are you doing yourself? What findings are you doing yourself? What move are you doing yourself to make sure that you detect the true picture of the man in Aso Rock? What have you been doing? See, I salute the courage of Nnamdi Kanu. I salute his courage. You know, 2 years ago, Nnamdi Kanu detected this and was agitating about it and was saying about it, but nobody refused. Nobody accepts him, accepts what he was saying. Everybody was just turning down his opinion. But now everyone is seeing it. Everyone is observing it. Now the story is going around now. Everyone has seen that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been saying is true. You see that now Nnamdi Kanu has come up with another observation that Nigerians can be able to go through and observe and see if what he was saying is wrong or true. You understand? See, the man in Aso Rock is not Buhari, because if it's Buhari, he won't be heartless. If it's Buhari, he won't be selfish. He won't be self-centered. He will know more about this country. This man in Aso doesn't know anything about this country. He is being ruled by what the people tell him to do. You understand now? Someone is directing him on what to do. I bet you, my viewers. Now it is clear. Everyone needs to believe this now. Everyone needs to accept this truth. Everyone needs to accept this reality. Everyone needs to stand upright and say no to this injustice, to this wickedness, to this hatred. We must stand on our feet. We must say no to these lies. This lie is becoming too much. It's becoming too much, and Nigerians are getting fed up of it. Sir, you have to own up before you are arrested. I would like every citizen of Nigeria to take good cognizance of what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying. Let us take note of what he is saying. Let us take cognizance of what he has been observing and work on our own observations too. You understand? My viewers, this is what is expected of us. It's an assignment. Nnamdi Kanu doesn't sleep. He kept making findings, of which you yourself have not been able to detect. It was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that detected the fakishness of his facial look, his ears, the use of his hands. You have to wake up. Let us say no to this intimidation and deceitfulness. These people in Aso Rock have deceived us enough. Look at his cabals. Instead of them to reveal the truth, they keep backing him up with lies because they want to continue the receiving of their fat salaries. Unknown to them that they are equally risking their life, because the moment Nigerian detects that, they are all going to jail, because they have allowed an impostor to be ruling the country, and ruling the country shabbishly. Because if it was the real Buhari that is here, that is in Aso Rock, he won't allow the country to be in this state. It won't be actless. Yes, Buhari is stubborn, but it will not be this heartless. This one is heartless. That is to tell you that he is not the one ruling. He's not the one ruling. They are instructing him on what to do and on what not to do. You understand what I'm saying? So, my viewers, we have to be straightforward. We have to be sincere. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been sincere from the onset, but we on our own side, we have not been sincere. Whenever he make review of this to you, what you do is to dispute it and turn it down, instead of you to go out there and make a research, make your findings, and try to see how true what he has just said is. But you just look down on him and say, "Quatch, he's saying rubbish." You see that? So whose fault is that? Is it Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's fault? It is your fault, my dear. So we have to team up. We have to work up. We have to wake up. We have to do things in common in order to detect this man. Let the news go around. Let everyone know about it. Let everyone know about it. If the news is being passed around, the more the news goes around, the more we get detected of the true man in Aso Rock, because we are becoming too slow. Look at the situation of our country. Are you happy with it? Are you happy? Are you happy with what we are going through now? Are you happy? Me, I am not happy. I don't know of you. I don't know of you. So you need to wake up and say no to this injustice. You need to wake up and join the team that are fighting this injustice. You understand? So we must work towards this. We must work towards it, my viewers. So please and please and please and please, I am of the begging that your own comments are very, very important. Alright? So please deem it fit to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.